here I have simple machines and complex machines. This is hammer, it is simple machine. And we are doing like this. This is a screwdriver. We are opening the nails with them. This is a saw. We are cutting the trees or anything. This is an electrical saw and it is complex machine, but this is not complex, this is simple. And this is an electrical saw, but it is a tool, but it is a one. And we are coming in here, we are taking a glasses, but I am not taking because I don't Bugün yaşıyor. Look, it is very fast. It can cut everything. But you are doing that, you can have these glasses. I have an electrical screwdriver. It is doing this. It is complex machine. And we have a tool box. We put in many things. We put this. You can put saw. You can put anything you want. And we have this. It is pliers, but it is big pliers. Pliers can cut and it can open things, and it is simple machine. And I am looking the branch. And there we have ranks. We have 4 ranks. This is 8, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12. and they are simple machines. And we have clamp. It is a simple machine, and we can turn it, and we can open things with this. And we have this, and this is a welding machine. It is weld the things, and there are complex machines and simple machines, and we are welding the thing. We are taking this and we are putting in our head, and we can weld the thing. See you, goodbye.